V500 Pro V-Diag tool to do injector testing. This particular test, if we pressed OK under injector, it has 4 different modes. Each mode will energize the injector for a different period of time. Like mode number 1 will energize it for 250 milliseconds. Mode number 2 will be a different time frame. Mode number 3 will also be different, and mode number 4 will be more of a constant operation. So we're going to start with mode number 1, and our tool has a couple of adapters, some banana connectors that we can attach to. We have our injector connected here. The black lead will be the negative side, the red lead attached to our V500 tool, and this is where it's going to energize the voltage. So if we go with each mode of operation, if I just press the button OK under mode number 1, you're going to be able to see that the injector will spray a certain amount of fuel because it only gets energized for a certain amount of time. So if we turn on our machine to build up pressure on the rail, that's just approximately around 65 psi or so, and we select OK, it will only energize a period of 250 milliseconds. Now you could also select mode number 2. Under mode number 2, it will energize the injector for a period of 7 milliseconds of voltage and then 20 milliseconds of ground, and it will repeat this cycle for a period of 1.4 seconds. So that's a constant on and off operation of the injector. So if we have our pressure build up on our machine and then we select OK, it's a constant on and off for a period of 1.4 milliseconds. Now when you compare this with mode number 3, mode number 3 will cycle the injector of 4 milliseconds of voltage, then 10 milliseconds of ground, and repeat this cycle for 1.4 milliseconds. So when we pressed OK on our tool, you can see the injector pulsating differently because of the period of time that it gets energized. Now if I select mode number 4, mode number 4 will continuously energize the injector of 7 milliseconds of voltage and then 20 milliseconds of ground. And if we press OK, it's a constant injector pulse, meaning it's staying open for that period of time, on and off, on and off. And if we turn on mode number 4 by pressing OK, you can see a constant operation of that injector. That's for us to kind of check injector pattern if you have it on the machine. Well, usually the machine will do it for you by doing this test, but if this is on a vehicle, like if we stop this injector pulse, let's say for example, when would I use this type of test? If I want to perform a pressure drop test on an injector and I want to see if that injector is spraying the same amount of fuel compared to all the injectors within on the vehicle. So if I had a 4-cylinder engine, I could energize all the injectors for the same period of time, watching my pressure gauge to see how much pressure it drops when it gets energized for that period of time, and to see if your injectors are either clogged or leaking. That checks how balanced your injectors are from each other. That's when I will perform this test while it's on the vehicle. We'll hook up a pressure gauge on the car, turn on the ignition, cycle the ignition on, let the pressure build up on your vehicle, and then we will energize that injector and see how much pressure it drops depending on the mode of operation you select, as long as you use the same operation among all the injectors to see how well the injectors are balanced. So that will be a great tool to use for injector pressure drop testing.